Hey, what's up guys, this is Joel here, and today in this video let's unbox and review the Smidge Wi-Fi RGB smart bulb. Smidge is an Indian company who manufactures the smart home devices. They also have some more products like the smart night lamp, smart tube light, smart plugs and smart security cameras listed on their website. So does the Smidge smart bulb work as advertised? Let's have a look. Taking a look at the box, it comes in a simple white colored box with some features of the bulb mentioned on the side and specification of the bulb mentioned at the back. Opening up the box, we just get the bulb and the information booklet. So now just to give you the specification of the bulb. So it is a 10 watt RGB smart bulb with B22 base. It supports Wi-Fi with 2.4 GHz frequency. It supports 16 million colors. It supports dimmable, a warm white to cool white color, and it works on Android 6 or higher, so on iOS 10.1 or higher. As for the build quality, the bulb is made up of good plastic and doesn't feel cheap at all. It looks like a normal bulb though. The B22 base of the bulb also looks to be made out of a good material. So overall, I was satisfied with the build quality. Installing and connecting the bulb was very simple. Firstly, download and install the MySmidge app from the Play Store or App Store and sign up. Connect the bulb to the socket. Make sure your Wi-Fi is on. Now, open the app and select lights in the smart devices page. So on the next page, when the app finishes scanning, select the bulb and start setup. Select your internet source and choose the location where you want to install your bulb. Now select and connect to the Wi-Fi network. You will have to wait for a few seconds till the app connects the bulb to the internet. Once done, click continue and select the name of your device. And that's it. Your smart bulb is now connected and can be controlled remotely using the app. So now let's check out the features of the MySmidge app. First and foremost, you can turn on and off the bulb using the on and off switch in the app. Clicking the bulb will open the color palette from where you can select different colors as per your choice by simply sliding the circular icon on the color you want. So you also get the sliders to control the brightness and the intensity of the bulb. Then we have groups which require two devices so they can simultaneously be connected and controlled together. Then next we have the music function. Turning it on, the bulb will act as an equalizer and start blinking in sync with the music you play on the phone or the speaker. It also works when you sing or talk. This function works even when the MySmidge app is minimized in the background. The music sync function is a very good feature to have on the smart bulb, specifically considering the price of the bulb, which is otherwise mostly found on high-end smart bulbs. Next, in the effects section, we have some predefined effects like random, strobe and candle effect. You can have these effects in whichever color of your choice. Then we have the option to control the temperature of the bulb. So if you want a warm color or cold color. You also have some predefined color temperatures down below which you can choose from. Next, we have an option to select scenes. You can select from default scenes or can customize your own scenes as well. And finally, you can create your own event as per your liking. So lastly, in the settings, you get the factory reset and the troubleshooting options. So overall, I felt the app was working decent enough. Oh yeah, I had seen some glitches here and there, and obviously there's a room for improvement. You can also integrate the smart bulb with the Google Assistant. Firstly, you'll have to install and open the Google Home app. Click on the plus icon and select devices. Then click on have something already set up option, and in the home control search for Smidge Smart Home. After clicking on it, it will take you to their website where you need to log in with your Smitch account you had done. Once done, the connected bulb will be displayed on the screen. You can now click on it and add to room and you're done. Now you can control your bulb with your Google Assistant. So let's have a look.
Okay Google, turn off the bulb.
Alright, turning off the bulb.
Okay Google, turn on the bulb.
Got it, turning on the bulb.
Okay Google, change the color to blue.
Okay, changing the bulb to blue.
Okay Google, turn off the bulb.
Okay, turning the bulb off.
So as you can see, controlling the bulb with the Google Assistant works absolutely fine. So finally, as for my verdict, I feel the Smitch Wi-Fi bulb is really good, especially considering the price. It gets right enough and it works fine. Oh yeah, I did have the Wi-Fi disconnections a couple of times though, but after resetting the bulb it works fine. But I feel the Wi-Fi connection should have been a bit more stable. I've been using this bulb for 2 weeks now and I didn't face any major issues. The company needs to work slightly more on the app stability and if possible should also add more features as well. I can't say how durable it is, but for rupees 299 that I got it for, it's good. I will leave the Best Buy links in the description below if you guys are interested. So that's it for the video guys, and I really hope you liked it. If you all did, then kindly hit the thumbs up button or else you can vote it down. Do subscribe to me if you haven't and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes live. So until next time, you guys take care. Ciao.